Hello everyone, this video is to demonstrate how the FIJAM app works. Let's begin with the home page, your gateway to an array of features. Here, you'll find photos that showcase our offerings and easy access to our contact information, including our email, Instagram page, and other contact details. To get started with the app, simply click on the icon situated at the top left corner to log in or register. You'll need to provide your WhatsApp number, and an OTP will be sent to you via WhatsApp for verification. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your company's name, email ID, and GST number. Don't forget to specify the type of your company, whether it's a proprietorship, partnership, private limited, or LLP. The required documents vary depending on your choice. For proprietorship, you'll need to upload your company's GST certificate. For partnership, private limited, or LLP, you must upload your company's GST certificate, PAN card image, and PAN number. Additionally, you'll be asked to upload profile images, Aadhaar card images, and PAN card images as part of the mandatory registration process. Don't forget to input your company's address and select its nature during the registration. In the member details section, you can upload profile images, names, and designations for the members of your company. In the KYC, Know Your Customer details, ensure you upload images of Aadhaar cards and PAN cards. Up to 2 members can register in the app. If there's a second partner, provide their details. And ensure they go through the terms and conditions carefully. Once all the necessary information is provided, click on Agree and then hit the Register button. Upon successful registration, you'll receive an email confirmation on your registered ID. Additionally, you'll receive a printable form containing your details and a confirmation email after the approval of our jury members. Once you receive this confirmation, you'll gain access to the incredible benefits of the FIJAM app. Welcome aboard!